Hey guys, Unicorn Crafter here with another Animal Jam video. This is part 2, aka episode 2. I will be having Unicorn danceoff000 joining me every episode, but she is not able to join me this episode. So yeah. And by the way, I'm a dancing koala. Okay, let's go upstairs. We're dancing koalas. Da 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 da. Okay, say hi.
Hey guys, Double Bubble Awesome Sauce here.
Yeah.
I am, cause we were just joking around, so yeah. And I am perfectly fine. I am not sick anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, guys, we're just being really random. Sorry we're quiet a lot. We just do that. Hey, it's better than people on Animal Jam who never talk at all except type. I mean, that kind of sucks.
Yeah. I don't like doing that.
Likes it.
Yeah, I don't like it. So, anywho, yeah. I thought you said you were gonna play your koala. Your dancing koala.
What?
I want you to play your dancing koala.
I already played my dancing koala though. So I was thinking for this episode we could do one of those challenges, like trying to break Coral Canyon Bridge or trying to.
Well, they don't really break.
Nice. What?
They don't really break.
Yeah, they do.
Just something happens. Let's go to Mount Shivers and jump on the ice. Ooh, there's a lot of people. Ooh.
Okay then.
Dancing
Mount
on
Shiver?
Yeah.
Dancing on the
the east.
Oh, and by the way, guys, don't forget. What the heck? Oh yeah, don't forget to go back and watch Unicorn Crafter's other video. There was a video we did together. It's called LPS Rainbow Disaster, but Unicorn Crafter accidentally spelled LPS Rainbow Daster. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to her.
And
I don't want that.
And her. So. Jumping.
Crap! I was gonna say yes. Okay, I'm jumping now.
I'm leaving.
What? What the heck? What the heck? It's supposed to be a challenge.
I'm going to Coral Canyons. I'm jumping on the bridge thingy. Because it's too crowded over there.
It's probably going to be crowded over there, too.
There's only one person on the bridge.
Oh. Wow. But it's better with more people. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 na 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 na. Na 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 na. You guys did not hear that. That never happened. Eating it tonight. Oh, I'm eating it tonight. I'm on a diet.
Why did you just send me Animal Jam rocks?
Because it does.
Don't you dare start doing that.
You can't stop me.
Fine, you're getting it too.
Okay.
Guys, please join me in spamming mail to her. Because I guess she likes it and I don't.
One of mine for you is going to have a gift.
Blah, 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 blah. You get something cruddy. Very, very cruddy. Because I don't care about you. No.
Oh, I was going to give you a feather, but maybe not. Just maybe not. Someone's trying to get my spike. Okay, that's a no, because I don't really want that.
I don't want your spike.
Have those, man. Yeah, you really want my spike. Even though you already have a spike. Okay, I think this one that I'm sending to you is going to have a gift in it.
I've already sent you 2 gifts.
Okay.
I think it might have froze up again.
What do you mean?
No, I think we're good. Never mind.
Okay. I had no idea what you were talking about. I was like, what?
Well, are you at my den? Who's at my den?
I have no idea who's at your den, because I'm just chilling.
It looked like you were flying when you came in. It did.
What do you mean when I came in?
Oh, that was somebody else. Sorry.
That wasn't even me. I was like, what? I'm not even there. Nice, a heart lava lamp. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, last island. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, last island. I'm gonna fight.
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.
Take that money, watch it burn, sing in the river, let's not learn. Take that money, watch it burn, sing in the river, let's not learn. Take that money, watch it burn, sing in the river, let's not learn. Take that money, watch it burn, sing in. You don't like that bubblegum spike, do you?
No.
We'll trade with someone else for a different spike.
Well, guys, I think we're gonna end this episode here.
Yeah, sorry guys, Unicorn Crafter's kind of a party pooper because she likes to end her episodes around 10 minutes.
Well, sorry, but don't want to make them too long for you guys.
But they enjoy them when they're long. Just kidding.
If they ask
Actually,
for
guys,
long videos, then I'll
guys.
give them long videos.
Would you be quiet? Okay, Jammers, just remember to leave a comment down below if you like long videos or short videos.
So you can either have like one really long video every week or a bunch of short videos like every other day.
Yeah.
Depending on what you'd like. So, yeah. Goodbye and good day, sir.
Goodbye, Gemmas.
Lady thingy. Okay, goodbye.